Hi everybody, and welcome back. I'm here with the final update on the build for the small scale group build. It's a Lindberg Super Roadster in 1/32 scale. I've got it completed here, got the decals on, got it painted, as you've seen in the previous videos. Got the wheels on, and all the interior is done, not much to it. The bottom is just painted black. The engine is there, and the wheels are painted. They're plastic wheels, so they were just painted. Got a black wash on the chrome a bit there, and it was tough. The only hard part was getting the front wheels on. I had to take my knife and open the holes a bit more to press them onto the axle here without breaking something off. It was quite a struggle pressing these on, and this is very fragile here, but I managed to keep shaving a little bit off and a little bit widen the hole here to get the wheels onto the axles without breaking anything. Decals went on well. I had the tail lights on, and then I had to take them off. I had them on the fenders here, and then I had to pop them off to put the decals on, and I just had to put them here on the rear end. Just touch them up with a Sharpie marker. So there's a couple of things here to add on. It comes with a roll bar. I can change it in and out because it's got the ejector pin marks right on it, and if I sand them off, of course the chrome will come off. I guess I don't have a good way of repainting them at the moment, but there's two little holes here. I can just pop that in if I can see what I'm doing. It looks kind of nice actually with the little roll bar on there. Put that on, and got the hood off. I managed to attach the grill to the hood, and it's got a little plate at the bottom there to rest on, and that'll just go on there. There's two little tabs it sits on, and it's a little bit hard to do with one hand. Put that on there. Try one more time. Get the hood on here. There's sort of up. Anyway, and it goes on. It's a little crooked because of the headlights there. So that's kind of the look I was going for. It also comes with a convertible top. It fits very nicely. I just left it in the primer gray. Now I guess I could leave. I think I'll just on the shelf. I'll just leave it with the roll bar on and the top on it. But the roll bar of course can be removed and added on and off. I didn't put the decals on the top here on the hood. I just felt I wanted to take the hood on and off. It would be a little more difficult. So that's on there. It's a little crooked at the moment. Anyway, it came out pretty nice. The decals I think really make it pop. So thanks guys for putting on this small scale group build again. This was a fun build, not too difficult, and went pretty quick. I used these exhausts up here. There's 3 different exhausts came with it, so I used the ones up a little higher here, and I'm pleased with the way it came out.